Step into a rare piece of Missouri history with this stunning historic Victorian, a true architectural treasure set on over 2.5 acres. From the moment you arrive, the expansive front porch welcomes you to a home filled with character, craftsmanship, and timeless charm. And dining rooms with ornate mantels and bay windows to exquisite millwork that speaks to the artistry of a bygone era. The updated kitchen seamlessly blends modern convenience with historic character, making it ideal for everyday living and entertaining alike. A captivating third-story tower offers endless possibilities, whether a private studio, library, or personal retreat, allowing you to make this home uniquely your own. Outside, the large lot provides both beauty and functionality. An original water tower and summer kitchen add rare historical significance, while mature trees frame the property, creating a serene and picturesque setting. This Victorian is more than just a house, it's a legacy. Every corner tells a story, from the patterned wallpapers to the period lighting, giving you a living experience that combines history, artistry, and comfort. Whether you're hosting gatherings in the formal rooms, enjoying quiet mornings on the porch, or exploring creative uses for the third-story tower, this home offers unmatched character and charm. For those who value preservation, craftsmanship, and small-town Missouri charm, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a home with both history and heart.